To generate discount codes for your Shopbase store, start by logging into your Shopbase account and navigating to the marketing section. Here you will find the discounts option. Click on it to access the discount code generator. In the discounts section, click on the Create Discount button to start creating a new discount code. You will be prompted to enter a name for your discount code. This should be something descriptive so you can easily identify the code later. Next, you need to choose the type of discount you want to offer. This can be a percentage discount, a fixed amount discount, or a free shipping discount. Choose the type that best suits your promotional needs. After selecting the discount type, you will need to set the discount amount or percentage. For example, if you want to offer a 10% discount, enter 10 in the percentage field. You also need to set the usage limits. This includes the number of times the code can be used and the expiration date. Once you have set up your discount code, click on the Save button to generate the code. The code will be displayed on the screen. You can copy and paste this code into your marketing materials or send it to your customers directly. It is also a good idea to track the performance of your discount codes. Shopbase provides analytics tools that allow you to see how many times each code has been used and the total amount of discounts given. This information can help you refine your marketing strategy and create more effective promotions. In the future, to get the most out of your discount codes, make sure to promote them through social media, email marketing, and other channels. You can also use discount codes to reward loyal customers or to incentivize first-time buyers. By following these steps and best practices, you can create effective discount codes that drive sales and grow your business. Remember to keep your discount codes organized and up to date. This will help you avoid any confusion or errors when redeeming codes. With Shopbase, generating discount codes is a straightforward process that can help you achieve your marketing goals and increase customer engagement.